Now let us understand the Coulomb's law in vector form. As we know that any vector is the magnitude plus direction. So for magnitude, the Coulomb's formula is sufficient, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon r square. And to denote the direction, we put a cap. So this r21 cap or r12 cap, what does it denote? For that, let us see the diagram number first. Suppose both the charges are positive, q1 and q2 are positive. The distance r in vector form, if we write it, if we write r12 cap, that means from 1 to 2 we are denoting. Instead of this, if we write r21, its meaning is the distance from charge q2 to q1, right? Other than that, let us understand now the forces directions. F12 denotes force on 1 by 2. So since both the charges are similar charges, so q1 will be repelled by q2. So the direction of F12 is towards left. In the same manner, let us see the force number second, F21. F21 means force on 2. Remember, you have to say on for the first term. So force F21 means force on 2 by 1. So q2 charge will also be repelled by q1. So as it will be repelled, it will not go towards q1, okay? So its direction is towards right. So let us write for this first diagram F12 vector. You see, F12 direction and R21 direction are same. That's why when we write F12 vector, the magnitude into R21 cap will come. In the same manner, F21 vector. F21 vector means the second force in the first diagram only. F21 vector is magnitude 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon r square into the direction. Now direction of r12 cap and F21 vector are same. So to denote the direction, we put at last r12 cap. Now try for the other two diagrams, minus q1 and minus q2 and plus q1 and minus q2. Now carefully answer these questions.